Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. In this video, I am going to show you how can you do a typewriter animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is very classic animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do it very easily. In this video, I am going to show you how can you do it. So first of all, in this channel Build Learning Club, you will get the Python and Django related videos and other computer and tech related videos. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share obviously if you like the videos. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So at first you have to go to the file and I just open a new blank presentation. So first of all delete it and just delete it, and now go to insert and now go to word art. So yeah, it's a word art. So just type here anything. I just type here hello brother. This, just type anything. This is a YouTube channel. Mm, you will get Python and Django related videos, and also will get tips and tricks in computer and also computer and tech related videos. Computer and tech related videos. So yeah, this is a simple word. You can see hello is a word, brother is a word. So now first of all select this complete paragraph and now go to the animation and just here is the appear. Click on appear, and now here is the animation pane. Now just click on it. This is the animation pane. After click on appear, just go to animation pane. So here it is the open animation pane. So if you click platform, and this is the simple animation. So just here you can see this button. So just click this button and you can see start on click, start with previous and anything. And now here you can see the timing here. So you have to do click on timing, and yes, and the page is open now, and just go to effect, and here you can see animation text all at once. Just do it by letter or by what, it's up to your choice. So for now I just doing it by letter. So animation text by letter, and animation speed 0.5%. If you slow it, then you can increase, or if you fast it, then you can decrease the animation time. So I want the fast animation, so I decrease the animation time. And now okay, so you can see this is the effect of the typewriter effect. You can do it very easily. This is very easy friends. Just do these tips and you can do the animation effect with typewriter in the PowerPoint. So it's very simple and easy. So again I want to say you, if you like this video, then share the channel and share the videos with your friends. If you also in this channel you will find many videos on Python and Django. You will find many projects, you will find many tech or computer related videos, tips, tricks, and knowledgeable video on computer and tech related. So if you like our videos, then obviously subscribe us and share our videos. And now you can click on stop to stop the animation, and again play. You can see, so just F5 and start it. You can see the animation. So just do it now on Microsoft PowerPoint. It's very classic animation after all. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. So see you in next video shortly, and I will come back with many interesting videos in future. So subscribe the channel. Thank you friends. Thank you once again.